Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to fix the Windows 11 lagging issues. So you just recently installed, or maybe you've installed your Windows 11 for a while, and then you notice that your Windows 11 has been lagging and you want to fix it. So this video I'm going to be showing you 4 simple steps to fix this in under 4 minutes. So let's start, and please do not forget to subscribe and like this video if you find this helpful. Okay, so the first thing we'll be doing is click on the Windows icon button and search for System Properties. Okay, click on the View Advanced System Settings. Okay, so when this opens up, click on the Advanced. Click on Advanced on the menu over here, and then under Performance, click on Settings. So over here, you can see my Windows is set to let Windows choose what's best for my computer. So, and yours might be set to adjust for best appearance. So we are not going to be picking on these two options. The option we're going to be choosing is adjust for best performance. Now, after we've done that, go down over here and then enable this show thumbnails instead of icons, and then over here smooth edges of screen fonts. Click on this to enable this too, and then click on apply. Click on OK, and then click on OK. So the next thing we're going to be doing is you go to your task manager. So right click on the Windows icon and then click on task manager over here. So once this opens up, on your left over here, you can see on this place we have startup apps. So if you're on Windows 10, it will be at the top, but since this is Windows 11, it's going to be on your right. So click on startup apps and then disable the apps that start up with your PC. So over here, I think I have 2 apps that are currently enabled, and this app would usually come up when my PC starts. So it will slow down my startup time and then my PC in general. So I'm going to be disabling these 2 applications. So what you're going to do is right click and then click on disable. So do this for OneDrive also. Right click and then click on disable. Go ahead and close this. So the next thing we're going to be doing is go to your settings, and then under your settings click on privacy and security. So under Windows permissions over here, click on general, then make sure you disable everything you see here. Then go back to privacy again, click on speech, make sure you disable this also. Then click on inking and typing personalization, disable this also. Click on diagnostics and feedback, disable this. So just go ahead and disable everything. So over here you can leave it to classic, you don't need to change it to enhanced. So just leave this and then go back. So under apps permission also, you'd click on location. For example, I don't need my location service, so I'm going to disable this. On my camera, I'm going to disable this also. I'm going to do the same for voice activation. So just basically anything you don't need turned on, just go ahead and go through everything and disable. So go to your personalization over here, click on personalization, and then under colors, under you see translucency effects. So just click on disable and then close. So now that we've done that, the last thing we're going to be doing is go to your control panel. So click on the Windows icon and search for control panel, and it's going to open this. Just go to your programs and then uninstall a program. So after you've done that, go and check for the apps you currently do not need. For example, if you do not need Microsoft OneDrive, you can go ahead and uninstall that. So after you've done that, close this and then restart your PC. So your PC would be fast. You would notice a significant improvement in your computer's performance. Okay, so I hope this video helped. So if you like this video and if it was helpful to you, leave a like, and then do not forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. See you in the next one. Bye.